All right, this is Chris and Casper from Turner Properties. We are at 413 Wendell Street in Columbia, South Carolina. This is a property that is for sale. I believe the sales price is $45,000. Make a great rental property. And this home is pretty close to Park Lane and Park Lane Road in Columbia, and I-77 and I-277. Yeah. So let's take a look around. We're just surveying the outside here. Apparently the air conditioner is only a couple years old, and it looks pretty good. Looks to be in pretty good shape. We've got the heat running right now, looks like. So it is a crawl space foundation. I don't know about that. It's not exactly sealed. I don't know if the ductwork is okay, and it's just a little gap around the foundation. Vinyl siding. There's natural gas to the property. Looks like we got a broken window here. A lot of trees. I mean, pretty much most of the roof is covered by trees. Supposedly the roof is only a few years old. From what I could see, it looked to be in good shape. Back porch here definitely needs some work. Let me see here. Got kind of a cool brick wall back here. Huh. Got a brick wall here. Just gonna see if this was sturdy enough for me to jump on, but I'm not gonna try it. Do you know what poison ivy looks like?
Not well enough. Probably learn.
Isn't it like leaves of 3, let it be? I think it's a little. Yeah, I don't know if this is poison, but I'm gonna try to stay away from it. So yeah, I don't know about this back porch. You got drop ceiling. That's kind of unique. So we're gonna enter through the back of the house. Oh my. Wow. That ceiling is not exactly square. Oh, nor is the floor. Wow. Yeah. This looks like a room that I built. Yeah, I'm thinking this might be. This has got to be some kind of an addition. Because the walls are kind of bowed out and the ceiling is not square or plumb at all. Yeah, this definitely feels like an addition, but I don't know. It does have obviously central heat and air. We saw that, but wow. Said, I have not seen a ceiling like this. I think this is called Cool Whip. The Cool Whip ceiling. Oh my. Good gravy. Yeah, definitely the house is not at all level. So here's one of the bedrooms. Wow. Goodness gracious.
Yeah, the roof is like 2 years old.
Oh my.
2 years old. And we replaced the HVAC. It's pretty much the same thing.
Significant. Is this an addition back here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's by tax map it's a 3-2. And then but the dad had built this addition he made this into a bedroom, the bedroom over there and a bath. So unofficially it's a 5-2.
Okay.
But originally it was a 3-1. So.
Okay. 'Cause I was going to say, it seems like everything's sort of leaning and tilting here.
Yeah, and I'm guessing this used to be the original back door of the house coming down.
I'm okay to record all this, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
All right. Oh, is that your light?
Yeah. Yeah. It's because they took the light bulbs out. So.
Yeah. Okay.
Which usually I have a small box of bulbs in my truck, but
So full bath.
I've been moving some stuff and all and took all that crap out.
Yeah, that kind of concerns me there.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I guess they did it themselves, huh?
His dad did it.
Yeah. Okay. I don't imagine he was a contractor.
Yeah, I said the same thing.
Yeah. This definitely looks homegrown. So here's the main part. Here's our kitchen. Do you have an estimate on, I mean, I don't know if you guys put that together on like what it would be to get this house right. Because I mean, of course, our investors are concerned with rentability and
Yeah.
the cost of the renovation to get this livable.
We haven't really I haven't brought anybody in to do any estimates for me.
Okay.
I mean, if they're going to have it as a rental, I mean, of course, it'll be a lot less to
Yeah.
get it up as in comparison to rehabbing.
But if we're trying to get, I mean, your estimates were 1,100 to 1,200 a month, and if we're going to get that,
and that's based off of a 4-bedroom right down the road that's renting. And,
okay. But we'd have to, this house would have to be in significantly better shape to get those numbers.
yeah.
Okay. Okay, well, let's take a look up here. There's a full bath here. Yeah. And another room that we have no light in. Yeah, that's...
Yeah.
I think all these ceilings would have to be redone. And possibly all the floors. And this is
Kind of give that away.
a lot of work. Was this the master bedroom? Or seems to be
It
kind
may have
of.
been at one point.
Yeah.
He said that after the addition was built, that far back bedroom
Okay.
is where his mom and dad stayed.
All right. I don't know if there's any other notes on the property, good stuff. I
Everything's
mean,
clear.
okay.
Everything's clear.
Well, I'm sorry. I meant like things that you'd want people to know about the
Oh.
property that's kind of a selling point for it that I may not be aware of.
I mean, the best thing about it is, the roof and the HVAC are relatively new.
Okay.
So that significantly, decreases. You don't have to worry about.
Well, those are
putting
two
money
big
back.
costs
Yeah.
of repair, for
So,
sure.
I mean,
Roof
those
and
costs can
HVAC.
go to other areas.
Okay.
The way that they built the addition, I'm not sure that it was. Well, I'm guessing it wasn't permitted. 'Cause
Yeah.
it's not showing on the tax map as a 5.2, but
Right.
they went right over that one window in that center bedroom. So I mean, you might have to count that more as an office now, or something
Right.
like that. Or,
Okay.
that's why we kind of ran comps based off of a 4.2 maybe.
Uh-huh. And we got a second screen. That's
Super
kind of cool.
quiet street.
Yeah, it's a nice area out here.
Yeah.
All right, now we're speaking with Casper Mabry, our business development manager. Casper, what are your thoughts on this investment property?
I would say the biggest concerns first off would be some of the additions made to the rear of the house. I believe it was originally a 3-1 and now it's a 5-2. So some of the back bedroom additions as well as the bathroom were kind of done maybe not up to code. So it would probably be a lot more investment into actually getting the condition of those solid, as well as the rest of the house as well. Overall, I mean, there's good space in the house. It is in a decent area that will probably rent well. And it's a nice sized lot, but it's just the biggest concern is just those condition issues and how that would affect, the overall, price of actually, getting a good return on it.
Okay. All right, guys. Hey, this is Chris Turner, Turner Properties. Just finishing our walkthrough of this investment property. I mean, it's a cute looking house. Some of the things you need to be aware of, like Casper just mentioned, the interior backside was an addition, probably not built to code, so it's going to be difficult to know the actual expense of what it would be to either fix it or tear all that out and just have the house itself. One of the things that did surprise me pleasantly was the area in the neighborhood. It is a real good area over here, just off of Two Notch, Park Lane, and 77, so that's real close by. What it could rent for, it's really tough to say. I mean, we've got some comparable rentals in this area that go for $800 to $1,200, but it all depends obviously on the property itself. If you took all the square footage out of the backside, I mean, we'd probably be closer to $950, something like that. But again, the concern is how much is it going to be to get the home renovated and in a condition that's going to be habitable for a renter, because it's not just carpet and paint over here on this one. It is on a crawl space, which I love slabs. I like them more than crawl spaces because you don't have to worry as much about settling, foundation, termites, leaks, and things of that nature. But anyway, that's the tour. Hope you enjoyed it. If you got any questions, please reach out to us at turnerproperties.com. Our phone number is 803-407-8522. Thanks for watching. And we're going to blast this